Hello, this is Dr. Bassi and our new sacroiliac Trident system. We call it Trident because the configuration allows the main screw to be set in and then the side screws be inserted through the sleeve at a pre-described angle. And we call it the multi-use kit because practically what the set comes with is a handle, the main screw assembled with the driver and the sleeve, and the side screws and inserters, and a guide wire that can be extended. This is practically all is needed. From the side of the hospital, just basic tools is needed like needle holder, scalpel, marking pen, maybe a coker. And first, we are going to talk about the setup of the procedure. First, we have to make sure with the X-ray that the orientation of the C-arm and the anatomy is the same. To do that, I just get a marking and get an X-ray and make sure that that marking is vertical. Then we need to make sure that the aperture, or what anatomically called the greater trochanteric notch, is aligned. This is the greater trochanteric notch. We have to make sure they are both aligned on both sides, as well as the ala of the sacrum is as well aligned. So then we are going to do the marking on the skin. And to do the marking on the skin, we are going to identify first of all the anatomy. Please make the right, left, left, right on that picture, so that when I'm looking at the picture and the anatomy is the same. Obviously it's not aligned. Now we are going to move it north. X-ray. And now we see the trochanteric notch and still not aligned. Please move, open the swing. X-ray. And it's getting better, X-ray. And it's getting better. And as you see there, the trochanteric notch or aperture get aligned. Now open up as well the this arc. Okay, X-ray. And we see that they're becoming more aligned as we go X-ray. That is a good picture, almost X-ray. So this is the setup to start the procedure. The aperture is aligned, as well as the alas are aligned on both sides. That's good. And then we are going to mark the shadow of the sacrum on the skin. X-ray. X-ray. That gives us the orientation X-ray of the sacrum. That is about right, X-ray. X-ray. So this triangle is practically the shadow of the sacrum. Now we go from the promontorium, or the upper superior part of the sacrum, to the middle of the aperture, X-ray, about this. And then we move this back until we have our entry point at the skin at the middle of the aperture, X-ray. So practically this is our about then 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch above this line in the direction of the sacrum is our incision. Now here for demonstration, and this is practically the setup for the surgery. So and now we are ready to actually start the surgery itself. We can now stop and then have a second